Did you know many people are having trouble with unlocking their Candy stove? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure the power to the stove is turned on and the power indicator is lit. Step 2. Find lock symbol. Find the lock symbol on your stove's touch control panel. Step 3. Hold button. Press and hold the associated button or area on the panel. Step 4. Unlock light off. Wait until the lock indicator light switches off. Step 5. Test controls. Test the controls by adjusting settings to ensure everything is functional. After following these steps, your Candy stove should be successfully unlocked. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Candy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.